Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Humbug Outdoors Fishing. It's your boy C. Smith here, and today just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what is happening with the channel and what is going to happen in the future. Going to try to keep this real quick for you guys. So the first big thing I'm going to address here is why aren't I uploading YouTube videos? This is like the best time of the year to fish. Now till I would say end of May is probably my most favorite time to fish. And that is because I have tendon damage in both of my arms. This one is healing a lot faster than this one is. But basically I was carrying some heavy buckets and I strained it too much and I just didn't listen to my body and I screwed it up bad. So basically I have been out for about the last 3 or 4 weeks, basically since the crabbing video is when I've been out. And I don't know, it is healing very, very slowly. I don't know how much longer I am going to be out. So it's definitely taken a toll on my mental aspect, being I haven't gotten in any fishing right now, and I'm, watching all you guys catch all the fish. Not that that's a problem, but I'd like to be out there doing it too. It hurts too because I like to make content for you guys, and I don't want to be I just don't want to make 20 review videos and not tying tutorials. I want to mix in fishing content too. Really blows, but it's what can I do? It's kind of teaching me some patience. So yeah, if you guys follow my Instagram, I keep my viewers a little more updated on my Instagram channel. So if you guys want to follow that, I'll have that in the description below. You guys can kind of talk to me on there and stuff. I respond really fast on Instagram. So my next piece of update here is as of June 2nd, I will no longer be a California resident. I've been meaning to tell you guys this for a while here. I just haven't had the right time to say it. But yes, my family bought a house in Idaho. It's southwest Idaho. It's about 30 minutes out from Boise. So yeah, basically it's too expensive for me to live in California alone. So moving with them up there, it's safe to say I had the waters pretty dialed in here in California, but I got a whole new set of challenges ahead of me. I got new waters to find out, new friends, a lot of new things coming up, It's not that I am done with California. I definitely plan on coming back a couple times a year and getting videos, but it's just as of now, obviously, I won't be down there a lot. So luckily in Idaho, I will have plenty of content for you guys. I will have all the trout fishing I can even imagine, right? I'm about 8 hours from the Oregon, Washington coast, that area. I've got some good salmon steelhead rivers. I've got the Utah still waters. I'm still 5 hours away from Pyramid Lake, which is one I've been really wanting to film for you guys lately. So I've got some really, really good content still ahead for you guys, especially for you viewers that are into trout fishing. Little disclaimer, I know it is a very controversial thing right now as Idaho is not very happy with us Californians moving into their state. I just want to give a quick PSA to the native Idahoans. I am here to make your fisheries better. I am here to keep your community the same. I've heard it's a great place to live, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm here to make your state a better place. So if I am doing anything at any point that, you guys don't feel is the Idaho culture, feel free to let me know, and I would love to change that to help make your guys' state a better place. So it's a big reason why a lot of us Californians are moving the state. So yeah, there's my little update on me. Just wanted to make a quick video and give you guys a little heads up. I'm sure some of you probably thought I died since I haven't uploaded anything recently. So yeah, fellow Idaho residents, feel free to hit me up and let's link. I want to meet some new people and catch some fish. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I got some content coming up soon here. It's really bumming me out. I'm working as hard as I can to heal up this arm right now so I can get back out and make some banger YouTube videos for you guys. So yeah. See you guys next time on Humbug Outdoors Fishing.